how to perform a factory reset of your Garmin Venu 2. In this video, I'm not only going to show you how to perform a factory reset of your Garmin Venu 2, but also how to reset all of the stats on your watch or just reset all of the settings while keeping the data or your customizations on the watch. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so in order to perform a reset of our Garmin Venu 2, the first thing we need to do is open up the menu. We do that by holding down the bottom right button just for a second or two. Once you get into the menu, scroll down and select the gear for settings, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select System. Once in System, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should see Reset right above Software Update. Select that, and in here we really have two different options. We can either reset all of the settings on the watch back to their default. This will keep all the user data, including any customizations you made, your different stats, and everything like that for running or activities. And then we have delete data and reset settings, and this is where you can perform a factory reset, bringing the watch back to where you'd have to set it up in order to use it. So if you're selling it or getting rid of the watch, or if you're having any major issues with your watch, the factory reset could potentially fix those. So go ahead and select delete data and reset settings. It's just going to give you a quick warning that if you do this, it's going to clear everything on the watch. And now to perform your factory reset, just select that green check. It'll reboot the watch, and you have to go through the steps of setting up your Garmin Venu 2 again. All right, so that's how you perform a factory reset of your Garmin Venu 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Venu 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.